On a global scale, the construction sector is the largest contributor to pollutant emissions from fossil fuels, since about 40% of the world's energy consumption is due to the construction and operation of our buildings. If the present trend is not changed, related impacts on global warming are set to rise because of the combination of factors such as the population growth, the urbanization process, and the improvement of the economic conditions, especially in African countries. In fact, while in Europe it is expected that by the year 2060 about 25 billion of square meters of new buildings will be built, in Africa that figure can be estimated close to 90 billion of square meters. Therefore, it is not possible to think of sustainable development without thinking, or better yet, rethinking architecture. The buildings of the near future must necessarily be efficient, low consumption, and environmentally friendly. The challenge is unprecedented and requires by now a radical transformation of the ways to design and build new constructions. There are no universal rules that are easy to apply, but rather an integrated approach can be developed, sensitive to the local climate and the geographical, economic, and social context. Architects, engineers, and developers must create buildings capable of harnessing sun and wind, heat and cold, mainly made of local materials, and also capable of taking up vernacular building traditions, renewing them through technological innovation. In such a respect, this MOOC will provide concepts, tools, and information useful for design and construction of sustainable buildings in Africa.